Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. Happy Friday. Today we're going to look at Vechain against Tether, USDT. We're going to look at on the daily chart, the weekly chart, give some price targets, some predictions, our next level up. We're going to look at the 5-Day Gaussian channel with Vechain, all that good stuff. Today's video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon if you'd like to learn a little bit more. Vechain, on the daily, what do we got? We have our downtrend top line here from April, going back to April, and another touch point here, couple back in here, and now what have we done? We're starting to get feisty. All right, we're starting to knock on the door of the bulls. The bulls are trying to hammer through the bears. And what do we got? Well, zooming in, we have our 21-day EMA exponential moving average. We're holding support. That's always a good sign, right? You're stutter stepping a little bit, trip over the hurdles. Now we made it over the hurdle, right? We held the 21-day EMA. That's a good sign. And also the second good sign on the daily chart, you're zooming out, you're looking at a nice uptrend reversal since the July capitulation of a lot of coins. Nice, like kind of triple bottom back in here with the wicks moving up, rejected the first time, higher low, back up, bust through the door. Hopefully the bulls can hold the line here, and then we'll get more bullish. And let's get to the next chart to get some price targets for you. So same trend line on a weekly scale now, and look at all the touch points, right? Same touch points on the weekly candle. This will be an important weekly close, 2 days, 9 hours. If we close above this trend line, that is a good sign for a key breakout. If we close another weekly, then that is confirmed. I like to look for 2 candles on a daily, weekly chart, whatever chart you're looking at. 2 candles confirm the break. In my opinion, that's what I like to look for to give me more confidence. So if we do that and we close up higher and we are in fact going for a breakout of this downtrend, what could our price prediction be? Well, I invite you to look at this yellow line. Chase, what the hell is that? I'm glad you asked. Let's zoom out. You see this is called a little flagpole here. So in order to get a estimated projection of where your breakout could end, a nice price target for our next move up, where could that explosion end before we get some resistance? Well, it's right here. You take this line right from here to here, the bottom to the top, draw it straight down, get your little flagpole, put it on a log scale, and it does everything for you. See how it gets all nice and resized? So you put it where your breakout is. So assuming that it's right here, right, this week, let's put it back on auto, zoom in, right? We want to make sure this is pretty accurate. So get to the breakout point. A little bit higher. Let's get a little bit higher. Maybe that's better. That's pretty good. Okay. So now you put it there, right? Zoom it back out, and you should get a pretty close. It doesn't go exactly right, but pretty close to the top of this line. About 40 cents. That should be our breakout. What are we at now? 13 cents. That'd be a pretty nice move, right? So yeah, you might have some resistance at your, tops over here. But this move, with an explosive move, this should peak out at least 40 cents, around that 40 cent level before you get some more consolidation. That's how these patterns work. So hopefully that helps somebody out there. If we get this confirmed move breakout, 40 cents is the target. Awesome. Vechain on a 5-Day Gaussian channel with the Bollinger Bands. We got a twofer right here, the twofer. Right, so far the Bollinger Bands have been pretty nice, as signifying where that top is going to be. It's held it in there. 95% of your price action on Bollinger Bands is going to be on the inside. Occasionally you get little wicks outside. Occasionally you get real bullish and start printing candles out here. But more often than not, most of your price action inside. Now we're approaching key levels here for Vechain. We're breaking out on the daily scale, potentially the weekly, potentially the 5-Day Gaussian channel. We're at the top of it. We've been knocking on the door for a couple candles now. Now it's time to break through the door. Okay, we have to use our bull horns and just bust it. And that line is just, I would like to hold 14 cents. We're going to need to break through it and then hold support at 14. And what else you want to see is the bottom of this, the Bollinger Band. You want it to start curving back down. And this, you want to start curving up. You want these diverging away from each other. And this just signify volatility, okay? So the tighter these are, the more volatile the asset. And what you want to see for bigger moves is just like this textbook, lines diverging away from each other, the mouth opening, price action on top, and then you can get your big move. So that's what we want to see again from Vechain, right? You want just to come back up. It might take another, couple weeks, right? Just be patient. First and foremost, 14 cents, break that, confirm that, support, kind of like back in here, and then you want these bands to start peeling away. If you need a better illustration and you didn't do well in crayon drawing, just like this. Obviously, I didn't do very well in crayon drawing too. But you want your price action to, do something like that. That would be ideal. Now, obviously, this could take longer, right? This band could maybe do something like this. We could get pretty narrow in here and then do our explosion, right? But that's the idea. General idea for Vechain is bullish looking. Okay, so watch for that over the next handful of days. There's your daily chart. We want to confirm this top line as support and hold your 21-day EMA to recap. And then, go over to your weekly scale and we get that breakout. 40 cents is our target with a confirmed breakout. Boom. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're at 70. What's the issue with that? Well, that was our support before, right? 70. So today is the key close. We have to get above 70. We don't want to get rejection because that's been support. We don't want to end up as hitting our head on top of support and going back down more. That would likely lead to at least short-term lower prices. We want to have a great November start, and let's break back into the greed house and stay in there, right? When you stay in this channel, all can be well again. Car of the day, Porsche Carrera GT, also known as the CGT. One of the most rare Porsches around and super collector item, but you're going to have to break out your big wallet. 7 figures, aka million plus, to get these now. And they're going up in value. So pretty awesome cars. There's the back. Nice exhaust. Love the wheels with the center point racing lug there. And yeah, engine in the back. Probably the best thing Porsche's ever designed, in my opinion. Quote of the day. There you go. About Bitcoin. It's tough to understand people to wrap their head around it. That's why there's people that don't invest yet. They just don't understand it. And they don't have the awareness to realize what's right in front of their faces. They'll know when Bitcoin's 100K, there'll be a lot more people getting woke up. So hopefully I'll leave you with that. I forgot to show my damn model. I have the model too. I don't have all these models that I show, but there's the CGT in black with the yellow brakes still. Huh. Hopefully this helps somebody today. Vechain on a Friday, looking good. A lot of altcoins looking like they're ready to just bust a magnificent move. That's Vechain in a nutshell on a Friday. Thumbs up if you haven't already. Do it.